Good morning, student. Today we are going to study biology part of class 9, chapter number 5, the fundamental unit of life. I prepared key concepts about this chapter. By by that we will learn about the all the topics of this chapter, the fundamental unit of life. First, we will study about historical perspective related to all discovery of cell. Then study of microscope in short term. Then study of hypotonic, isotonic, hypertonic solutions related to osmosis. Then cell wall and plasma membrane, nucleus, cytoplasm and different types of cell organelle which is found in both plant cells and animal cell, that is endoplasmic reticulum, Golgi apparatus, lysosome, mitochondria, plastids and vacuoles. In previous class you learned about cell is basic structure and function of life. So, cell is the basic structural, functional, and biological unit of all known living organism. Cell is the basic structural, functional, and biological unit of all known living organism. So I prepared in simple way, point wise. First point, all the living organisms are made up of fundamental unit of life that is called cell, and the cell is a Latin word cellula, that means a little room. Scientist Robert Hooke in 1665 observed honeycomb-like dead cell in a thin slice of cork. Cork means bark of tree, and after named them cell. Robert Hooke observed the cell in a cork slice with the help of a self-designed primitive type of microscope, that is not well-developed microscope. Ethan van Leeuwenhoek in 1674 was the first to describe a living cell with the help of improved microscope in pond water. Robert Brown in 1831 who discovered the nucleus in the cell. Purkinje in 1839 coined the term protoplasm for the fluid substance of the cell. And the cell theory states that all the plants and animals are composed of cell. It was proposed by two biologists, Sliden in 1838 and Schwann in 1839. The cell theory was further expanded by Rudolf Virchow in 1855 by suggesting that all cells arise from pre-existing cell, means all cells come from their parent cell. With the discovery of electron microscope in 1940, it was possible to observe and understand the complex structure of the cell and its various organelles. Compound microscope consists eyepiece, objective lens and condenser to observe a cell after putting a drop of strychnine safranin for plant cell and methylene blue for animal cell. Cells differ in size, shape and structure. May be amoeboid, cuboid, thread-like, polygonal, columnar, or disc-like. For example, onion cell, smooth muscle cell, blood cell, fat cell, nerve cell, ovum, sperm, etc. Each kinds of cell perform their specific function. A cell or single cell may constitute a whole organism as in amoeba, chlamydomonas, paramecium and bacteria. These are called unicellular organism. Whereas in multicellular organism, division of labor is seen. For example, in human being, we are multicellular organism. Unicellular organism means organism which have only one cell, and multicellular organism means organism that have more than one cell, means many cell. The feature in almost every cell is same, that is plasma membrane, cell wall, nucleus and cytoplasm. Study of cell is known as cytology or cell biology.